Hey, I'm Kenneth. I just want to share my testimony today. I just got done my third session. I'm just excited. I can't describe how I feel right now. I saw the pictures, I did my research, but after actually going through the process, I'm just blown away what Victor done for me. I lost my hair at a young age, around 28 or so, and I tried everything. I put stuff at the powder. I did everything I can to kind of hide the loss. But I kind of gave up and just started shaving my head and just kind of stuck with that. Straight razor, just shaved it down. I went to Bosley after, just thinking about it. How would I look with a head full of hair? I like to be able to do that. Every man deserves to have that. So what I did was I went to Bosley and they told me pretty much that I can't have a head full of hair, that I would still have some spots that will be missing and it'll be very thin. But after doing my due diligence and really learning about it and listening, it is the real thing. But at that point, who is the person that I need to be able to do my SMP? There's many people that can do SMP. There's prices that are lower than others, right? But price is not the issue. It comes down to value, right? It comes down to value. And when I did my research and talked to other SMP specialists, I felt Victor's the one I needed to go with. I traveled several hours to get here because it is something that is very valuable to me. It's emotional to me. It's something that every man deserves to have, that look, that feel that you need. And so when I did my research, I have found that and spoke with Victor, I felt like he really got me. He understood. It's not about just doing the SMP. It is following through. It is about being conservative. It is about letting expectations up front. It is about making each person, making you feel at peace and making you feel like you're in good hands. So as I went through the process, he told me, trust the process. It's going to get better. It's going to get even better from here. So as you can see, this is my third session. I'm just blown away. Victor's a blessing. He's trying to do what every man deserves. He wants to help every man that deserves to have what they want. And I'm excited. I'm ready to go share the world. I'm ready to take that hat off. I'm ready to feel like I felt 10 years ago. And at this point, I'm excited. And I recommend Victor. And if I would have known what I know now, I would have met Victor 10 years ago and I would have got him to do this for me. It's already changed my life. I hadn't even went outside yet. I'm ready to go to the store. I'm ready to show it off. I just strongly encourage everyone, do your due diligence, do your research. Look at his Instagram, look at his material and talk with him. Give him a call, learn from him, because I learned more about SMP before I even came in for my first session than any research that I've ever done through Google. So if you're looking for something and you really want to do SMP, it will change your life, and I would recommend going to Victor.